Savor with me, homemade Filipino Pork Tocino. It's so quick and easy to make, guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Savor with Neil, where it's all about quick and easy Filipino-inspired meals. So for today, Savor with me, pork tocino. So it's a classic Filipino dish. It's cured like meat. Usually it's with pork, but I've had like variations of it like chicken as well in the past. And it's usually sweet, savory, tangy. We usually have it for breakfast. It's like usually called tosilog. Yeah, which is 3 parts to it. It's the tocino meat, and usually you have sinangag, which is garlic fried rice, and also you have the itlog, which is the log part. So first things first, let's cut our pork to pieces. So I just got like some pork belly. We're gonna take out the skin, and then we're just gonna slice them up. So we have it like this. All right, I'm just gonna take out the skin part because this one is a bit tough. All right, there we go. Just pulling it out. Okay, that's one. All right, second one. Getting the meat as well. We don't want that. We want all the meat. All right, here we go. Okay, and then I'm just gonna cut them into like this slice, kind of like this size. Okay. Also, it's best if you marinate your tocino like overnight or for at least a few hours. But if you don't have time, if you're in a rush, it's okay as well, right? It's just gonna be more tastier that way. Okay, our pork belly is done. All right, so let's prepare our marinade. Actually, since it's so quick and easy to make, let's heat up our pan and then we'll make our marinade, okay? Just to save us some time. All right, okay, we have our pan. And if you've been watching my channel, you know the temperature, it's medium high. Okay, let's start our marinade, okay? Okay, pineapple juice, bit of soy sauce, bit of vinegar. Then let's mince a few garlic. Let's use my processor, okay? So a few garlic cloves. There we go, that's good. Okay, make sure we go for finely minced option, okay? So just go to the max. All right, there we go. Okay, bit of garlic powder, ground black pepper, some brown sugar. And usually our tocino is usually red using like dye color, but we have here annatto powder. You can use that as well. And there you have it, guys. Oh, I wish you can smell this. Like, oh, you can smell the garlic and the pineapple juice. It's giving you really strong scent. It smells so good, guys. All right, so then let's just put in our pork in here. Okay, mix it around. Okay. All right, guys, there's our marinade. Look at that. You can smell the garlic and the pineapple juice. Oh, yum. All right. Okay, so let's start cooking. Okay guys, so to cook it, all you need to do is just put everything into the pan. And it's that quick and easy, all right? So do that. Mix it around. Make sure it's fully submerged. And then you just leave it be. And it's gonna cook in its own marinade. All right guys, it's been around 15 minutes now. And yeah, look at that. The liquid has pretty much mostly evaporated, and look, it's giving you a sticky sauce. So what you can do at this point is you can put your oil in now, okay? Okay, so I'm just putting in a bit of olive oil. Okay, look at that, guys. There's our tocino, guys. All right, guys, looks like it's done. Look at that. Savor with me, homemade Filipino pork tocino. All right, guys, moment of truth. Here we go. All right, let's have this one here. Look at that. My pork tocino is not as red because we didn't use dye. We just used some annatto powder, and it's not cured, so it's healthier. All right, guys, cheers. Wow, that is so good. The taste of pineapple juice really comes through, and we didn't even marinate it like for a few hours. We just cooked it right after we assembled the marinade. So just imagine if you do it overnight. Oh man, it's nice and tangy, Savory, sweet, salty, and it's so quick and easy to make, guys. It literally took a few seconds like to make the marinade. So good, guys. This pairs really well with like garlic fried rice and eggs. So that's usually what we have for like breakfast. But you can definitely make it and turn it into a sandwich or even put it on top of a salad as your protein. And you can definitely change it up. Instead of like pork belly, you can use chicken. So the options are limitless pretty much, all right? So definitely give it a try. Also, the pork is also very soft and tender because we did boil it in the very beginning and we use pork belly as well. So there's a lot of fat on it too. But you can also definitely use your air fryer if you want, and then or just grill it as well. So you can have a grilled tocino. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks so much for joining me today. And just remember, keep savoring you.